Gummy Sharks picking up some green cubes into their tray. Eagle Pride B picking up a ton of cubes in that intake and dispensing them into the goal. Gummy Sharks with tons of cubes into their feeding system. We're going to try to score all of these cubes. In 35 seconds, you may now switch dragons. Gummy Sharks lifting up. They get one in, they get three in. Eagle Pride B, trying to get more in their intake. Eagle Pride B getting ready to score some more. As we come down into the last 10 seconds of the match, we'll see if any teams can pull off a successful part. Eagle Pride B looking like they're getting a part. Gummy Sharks scoring some more cubes. They get them all in. Alright, we have the qualification match 24. We've got 7505.